EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for July 13th, 2023. It is Thursday. The Thursday video forecast is proudly sponsored by North Penn Car Wash in Lansdale, Montgomery County, Pennsylvania. Keep your vehicle looking great all the time and stop wasting your money. Those costly individual washes with North Penn Car Wash's Unlimited Car Wash Club. You can join at a very low price, starting at just $13.95 per month, and it's the only place where weather doesn't matter. We've had a more active, wetter pattern recently, and it's that much more difficult to keep your car clean. How many times you just get done washing your car only to have it rain the next day? Well, with North Penn Car Wash's Unlimited Car Wash Club, you don't have to break the bank. In order to keep your vehicle clean, just stop by as often as you like within the calendar month to get a fresh wash with that low monthly rate. They are North Penn Car Wash, 986 Sumneytown Pike in Lansdale, Montgomery County, Pennsylvania. Proud longtime sponsors of the Thursday video forecast. So today we're going to have some scattered thunderstorms coming into the picture again. Hot and humid today, very hot and humid in fact. Temperatures are going to be in the 90s about across most areas except for the very far northwestern portions of our region will be in the upper 80s. I see 88 to 94 is a temperature spread above me, and 94 would be closer to the Philadelphia to Newark corridor. And that region there will be in that, closing in the middle 90s, but it will be very humid today compared to recent days. So this is just a start. We're going to have more humidity coming back into the region over the next couple of days. And with that, there's a chance for scattered thunderstorms coming back into the fray. Now, I don't think most of the area is going to see thunderstorms during the day today. There is a little tail with this area of low pressure moving off to the north. A little tail is moving down here across northern Pennsylvania that will come in during the mid to late afternoon and then go into early evening. But I think this batch out here will come through overnight. So we're going to have the opportunity for some scattered showers and thunderstorms during the overnight hours. As we take a look at the NAM high res future simulated radar, I'm going to show this off at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. You can see, here's that tail right here. And that across northeast PA, basically the same areas that had it yesterday, with those scattered showers and thunderstorms, we'll get in the opportunity for some scattered thunderstorms today. As I move this forward, this moves across those northern areas. This is going to include northern New Jersey. And then once we get on either side of midnight, we'll have some more scattered showers and thunderstorms moving through overnight. Now, the Storm Prediction Center does have this outlook, which doesn't really match so much what I just showed you on a simulated radar. The slight risk is out here in the northwestern areas, further southeast. It is a marginal risk. And I will tell you, the severe threat today, I think, is really going to be up in here. Okay, this is at odds with the SPC. So up in these areas up here is where you have that opportunity, and that's with the daytime heating, because the stuff that comes in later is going to be coming in a more stable environment, and that's going to be overnight. So we don't have that instability to lean on to really build these storms and get them going. I really think the primary threat of this is going to be locally heavy rainfall and, of course, lightning, and it's going to be nocturnal rain, as you see on the NAM here as we move this forward. Again, this is either side of midnight when this is coming in with scattered showers and thunderstorms, so some nocturnal storms. But because it's coming in overnight, we're not looking at severe weather at that point, okay? Not really as likely. And this is going to go all the way through the wee hours of the morning before it moves off the coast. And then Friday morning, we're just left with, I will say, variably cloudy skies, because we're going to have kind of like a mix of clouds and sun. There will be some sun, but it's going to be a lot of clouds here on Friday as well. And that's with this next system moving in. So this frontal boundary is going to stall over our eastern areas on Friday afternoon and leading to a scattered shower and thunderstorm threat. And we can see that here on the NAM as well. Here's those scattered thunderstorms later on Friday. I actually like Friday a little bit better than Thursday because it's coming in at a better time. Okay, so this is still during the daylight hours. So you can have some scattered showers and thunderstorms. There is a marginal risk for severe weather here on Friday as well. But I do think this is a better opportunity for some severe weather on Friday compared to Thursday, just because it's a better timing issue, okay? Moving this forward, this goes straight through the evening, and again, part of the overnight before it moves off to the east. I do think Saturday is going to be a mostly dry day across the region. We did leave an isolated thunderstorm in the forecast here for Saturday, but it will remain rather humid this weekend. So temperatures are still going to be in the upper 80s to near 90 on several of these days, Friday, Saturday as well. But it's going to be The humidity is going to lead to that, at least an air mass thunderstorm possible here on Saturday. I do think it's a more organized spread for scattered showers and thunderstorms on Sunday. So our best chances over the next week is going to be overnight tonight, late in the day here on Friday, also Sunday afternoon and evening thunderstorms, and then Tuesday. So it's like an every other day deal. So in between that, here on Saturday, you have an isolated chance, more scattered on Sunday, and then Monday is an in-between day. The European model has nothing, and we are going with nothing as well, with partly cloudy skies in between. And then Tuesday, another cold front moves through the region with scattered PM showers and thunderstorms. Again, the European model doesn't have anything other models do, but the cold front is definitely, it's right here. So along that focus, there could be some scattered showers and thunderstorms on Tuesday. Well, even though the European model here that I'm showing you doesn't show that, if I go over to the GFS for the same time frame, we can see scattered showers and thunderstorms here with that cold front. So it does have it here on Tuesday. So it's an every other day deal where we have the scattered showers and thunderstorms threat, and then in between is either an isolated chance or nothing at all, and that would be Saturday and Monday. And again on Wednesday, because we get to Wednesday is a dry day here on the GFS. Same thing here on the European model on, oops, let me get the right day here. As we get to Wednesday, here's Wednesday on the GFS, on the European model. Also dry, partly cloudy. So we have a couple cold fronts moving through over the course of this next week here. It's going to be an every other day deal, but it doesn't look like a total washout on any day. I think if the best chance for anything is more organized is going to be on Friday and Sunday. Tuesday looks like just a quick line going through with a cold front, and that's it. But the days in between look like they're going to be mostly dry, but just an isolated thunderstorm in the forecast because of the humidity involved. So air mass thunderstorms are still possible during those days. And temperatures at this time, once we get into next week, Monday through Wednesday of next week, are going to be kind of near to very slightly above average. By the time we get to Wednesday, I think we're getting to dipping slightly below average, with temperatures in the lower to middle 80s and lower humidity finally. So the humidity is going to be with us most likely through Tuesday, is what it's looking like. And we'll continue to follow that here in the next couple of days. One little programming note, I will be on vacation next week. I did not announce this publicly to many people. A few people I did, but I will be leaving on Saturday. So we'll have a video forecast again on Friday. We'll have another one for the weekend on Saturday that I will record Friday night, but Saturday through the following Saturday, I will be out of the loop completely. So there will be no daily forecast videos the following week. I don't want to make it like it's you have to fend for yourself, but I won't be around to do the daily forecast videos next week or the long-range outlooks. So there's a lot of things that won't be going on next week, at least publicly, until I get back. I'm taking a complete disconnect from reality and just enjoying myself and my family for an entire week, which is an abrupt change. I'm getting older here, so I need to start enjoying my vacations instead of making them a working vacation. My staff is fully capable of handling all the private stuff, and the public forecast will still be updated. The written forecast we do on the website, they will still be updated throughout the week. But as far as a public standpoint, as far as the videos are concerned, it will not happen the week between the 15th and 22nd when I'm out. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marchers. That is your outlook for July 13th, 2023. Have a great Thursday.